Your council tax bill is on its way.
This year, we are raising your council tax by 2.99%. We have taken this decision to help us meet the challenges of our growing and ageing population, and because the amount of money we get in core funding from central government is falling. The increase works out at an extra 76 pence a week for average Band D households.
Your council tax funds a range of local services. We spend over £1 million a day providing vital support and protection for older, vulnerable and disabled people. We also offer support and training for their carers. We manage family centres, ensure that every child has a school place, help families to get off to the best start in life, and provide social care to children and young people who need it. We run the Fire and Rescue Service, which responds to over 8,000 emergencies each year. And our trading standards teams protect people from scams and rogue traders and make sure that businesses act fairly. We're responsible for looking after the 3,000 miles of road in Hertfordshire, and we run household waste recycling centres across the county. We manage all of the libraries in Hertfordshire, and we also offer an online library service that you can access round the clock from your computer, tablet or phone. There are over 360,000 loans from our libraries every month. Our public health teams offer services which help people to lead healthy lives, including support to stop smoking and sexual health advice. We register around 3,700 civil marriages and 20,000 births and deaths every year. These are just some of the vital local services that your council tax funds. To find out more, visit www.hertfordshire.gov.uk/council tax.